क्या लागे मेरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे.
Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about baby care and some necessary items I found useful. Maybe you could also relate with this stuff. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Preeti and I make videos about makeup, beauty, DIY, baby care, travel, etc. But before moving, please subscribe to my channel for lots of cool stuff coming your way. And also because it's free. So let's get started. So number one is career or baby wearing. I started using a career since my baby was 3 months old. Everybody used to say it's not a good product and also a waste of money, but I think buying a good ergonomic career makes a lot of difference. Ergonomic means same position in which the baby is naturally held or carried. I use this career every single day. I go for a walk, I also swings, and baby enjoys it too. Carries her everywhere and also I doesn't get tired of wearing her, which I will if I on the contrary carry her with my arms. This is the career. Let me show how it is while I'm not wearing it. This is 100% woven cotton and has completely adjustable panel and shoulder straps as well. This career can be used from birth to toddlerhood. This cotton career offers 5 carry positions as well. It is easy to maintain and stored as well. This is how I fold the career, which is very easy, and I then keep it into the bag which comes along with it to store it. This one is from Seoul and it is called Anuna. Number 2 is baby massage. I massage the baby and I've been doing it since the day she was born. I use pure almond oil in winters and virgin coconut oil in summers. Massage can get your baby to sleep better, so that is why I prefer massaging her before bedtime. It improves her health and also establishes a beautiful and loving bond between you and your baby. When you give your baby a massage, you are actually stimulating her central nervous system, which triggers the brain to release serotonin, which is called a feel-good chemical. As a result, the heart rate slows down and baby becomes relaxed. Giving regular massage is good for baby's emotional well-being as well. The affectionate touch and rhythmic movements are amongst the powerful forms of communication between a baby and a parent. This is the reason I prefer giving massage all by myself rather than relying on someone else. If you have a newborn, massaging around the navel area helps them release the gas. Also, it is very important to massage upward rather than downward on the arms and legs. You can also do this exercise during the first 3 months of their life. And also massage your baby's cheeks to make it chubby and also the nose area as well. Number 3 is baby bathing. Giving your baby a bath is one of the responsibilities that is not only important for health and cleanliness, but one that can become an enjoyable time between you and your baby. I make a bath in the buckets during winters to make the exposure time to water shorter. However, I use this tub for summers. Making her bath in the bucket hardly takes 5 minutes to complete. Regular bathing also has been known to improve immunity. I make a bath every day irrespective of whether it is winters, summers or rainy season. It also promotes good hygiene habit for a baby early in their life. Number 4 is introducing glass early. My mother has given this little glass to her when she was 5 months old, and it makes this sound to gain the attraction. And my baby loves this glass, and right from then she's been drinking water or express milk in this glass. Also, she loves to play with this glass as well. Introducing steel rather than plastic is healthy because of antimicrobial properties of steel. I never introduce bottle to my baby, and this product is the only holy grail product when it comes to drinking anything or even for playing. Number 5 is illumination communication. This is a practice in which caregiver uses timing, signal, cues, and intuition to address an infant's need to eliminate waste. I have been practicing this since she was 2 months old. I take her to the washroom right after she wakes up in the morning, and by this she poops, and I hold her in this position. This position aligns the digestive tract and support relaxation and contraction of the pelvic floor muscle, helping baby to release urine, stool, and even build up gas. Due to this, My baby has never been colic. Moreover, this is the natural position humans are supposed to defecate in. Number 6 is cloth diapering. So I never wanted to use disposable diapers due to its high chemical content like heavy metal dye and dioxin, which is carcinogenic, and also due to side effects like diaper rash, longer tenure for toilet training. I got so much convinced to use cloth diapers. So I have these beautiful cloth diapers from the brands called Super Bottoms, Pumpadum, Baby Behind, Cozy Bub, etc. Cloth diapering can also save a lot of your money too because one diaper can be used from newborn stage to toddler stage. It looks like this from inside, having these soakers, and you can layer the soakers for night use. If you don't want to invest in cloth diapers, you can use this cover in daytime with any homemade insert cutouts from turban, bedsheet, etc. This is how I store them, and this way it is easy to pick the diaper when in hurry. For daytime, I use this turban cutout and this fleece liner which I have cut from my old fleece sweater. Using fleece will keep the baby's bum dry and also it holds the poop, saving poop explosion situation which is common with disposable diapers. You can even use cotton nappies alone which can hold 1 or 2 peas. Just place the insert in this and just snap it up or use a velcro. And if you want to make it waterproof, you can use these plastic nappies as well. It is optional and please don't judge me on this. And there is lot of space for the air to pass which won't bother the baby as well. Number 7 is booster chair. When my baby started with solids, I wanted to buy a high chair, but I'm glad that I've opted for this. This is a lightweight, easy to carry, and I can keep it on any chair, bed, or even in the car. We even carried this to the restaurants as well. This is how it gets all folded up and becomes compact. She loves to eat in it and also plays with toys sitting on this booster chair. Number 8 is rocker. So everybody wants something to relax on to. So my baby loves her rocker and she relaxes and sometimes plays on it. So this is it guys. I hope you all like the video, and if you do, please hit a like button and do subscribe to my channel because it's free. So do subscribe guys. Bye.